This is the mechanical bypass, but this is still built into here. Okay, the one on the wall can totally isolate this right out of your whole circuit, which is, since you have that, obviously that's the way you're going to want to go. So right now what you have is you're still in this. You'll see this is off.
Yeah, but you're still in
static bypass. So what you would do over here, and you're definitely going to want to call. Absolutely, absolutely. So what you would do here is just turn on Q3, right? Turn off Q2. Your load's still going, and then you can turn off Q1, and the system will shut it down. When you go back, okay, you want to turn on Q2 in the reverse order, right? And then turn off Q3. And again, you're going to want to call contact. Just for that warm, fuzzy feeling.
So what we did, we put this into bypass and the digital static bypass. Turn it off the output lead, turn on the bypass, turn it off the output of the UPS, and your load never varies.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So,
follow, again, it's in the book. You got tech support, and the gray line that's on there is what you want to watch. Don't rush unless it's something you have to do. But just watch the gray line as you do it, and the switches should fall and complete the path on the picture. So if you see it this way, that path is broken, turn it so it follows through, okay? And then you just want to make sure that once you've got Q3 on, you shut Q2 off, so it's isolating from the UPS. Then what you would do is, if you're shutting this down, let's say you brought it back out of bypass now, the wraparound we call it, or maintenance. Then what you would do is you would go into here, UPS out of bypass, and it goes, okay. Simulate power failure is just what it says. It's very quick, goes on battery. Okay. And then it'll come back out. It's just simulating it, is all it's doing. Runtime cal, what that does is, it's gonna tweak the battery discharge as they age. The display you're going to see and the runtime you're going to get is going to be very accurate. As they age, you may want to verify, you let it run down. It'll actually recalculate that, and it may tweak it in if necessary.
Is that recalibrated during the self-test?
No.
So
self-test is just verifying functionality.
You have to go in here
to run. Right. You can, again, most of this stuff is also been able to do via the web browser. The only things you need to be in front of it is to do physical stuff, switching. Okay. And then this is the crucial part, right from here. If you hit enter, it'll give you ask you a confirmation. That's the only one you're going to get. Okay? If you say yes, that's going to shut down. The UPS will not shut off, but the output will shut. And that's pretty much as far as the display.
Okay.
So I just got to verify which one's the serial port.
you have the IP address?
Yeah. It should tell you which is which. That's why I want to label it in the front. You know it's in there because I've had to look before. You know. This is all the stuff I went on. Okay. So your service port, which is just for us.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you want the RS-232 computer interface port. If you're running power shoot, which is going to be.
You can plug in with the power shoot if you want to.
Right. So it's the left one.
Okay.
So we can put a label on that and just put RS-232 if you want, so there's no confusion.
Yeah, that'd be good.
You know. I mean, I've got to look at the book. And you should, I didn't see, the cables are over there in the package, I believe, right? You should have a cable.
So this is redundant to the LAN?
Yeah. If you were here with a laptop, you could plug in.
For whatever reason, you can do the LAN. So which one is it?
This one here is the RS-232. Oof. Was that water over there or vinegar? Something got on the phone.
Acetic acid, yeah.
What is it?
Safe. It's okay. It's
Okay.
just acetic acid.
They can just rinse it.
It's vinegar. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, it's what it smelled like.
More simple.
Better safe than sorry. Okay, system.
Students have to configure the IP address.
Right. You should have a cable that came with that.
Well, you could probably do a crossover connection on wiring some initial
Keep this as far away as possible, I guess, huh? And all you need to do is hyperterm in. The disc would be for help.
The network.
Yeah, that's.
I'd make an image for that.
Yeah, it does have the network shut down in there too. I'm just going to start new. I already have a setting, but I'll show you.
This is some kind of configuration.
Yeah, what you're going to do is when you come in here, you're going to set your properties.
Now, what did you open to get this screen up?
This is hyperterm.
Where did you get that?
It's just a,
It's on mine. It's on the yeah.
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 you should have a hyper terminal. It's just a,
It's in accessories.
Yeah, exactly. So you're going to have, you know, whatever COM port, obviously, and your config is going to be 2400 baud, 8 data bits, no parity, 1 stop bit, and no flow control. Okay. To start logging in serially, just hit the enter key numerous times. You'll get the username. The default right now is APC lowercase. Password is lowercase APC. And this is what you're going to see in the serial end of it.
right.
In the browser, it'll be different. Okay, so let's. I'd already grabbed one. What did I do on the? Yeah, I'm going to change it. $41. What did it grab? 42?
145.
Okay, so what we want to go is the boot mode, manual. We only need to change one, so go into the system IP. Once this is set up, you can log into the web.
Right.
If you need to change it in there, you can change it right in there. When you log out, that takes effect. You got 128, 48, 52, and it was 41. Just escape back out to the main menu, and then 4 will log you out. And then if you looked on the card, you'll actually see the card starting to reboot.
Okay.
And it takes a little bit to do that. Are you set up on your network? Do you want to log in on a system that you are?